Welcome my dear all students. In this class we are going to discuss about the question and answers related to worksheet number 3, unit 3 and the lesson fluids of class 9. Okay. Then first one, choose the best answer. A kerosene filled balloon immersed inside the water immediately comes up and floats on water. Which one among the following is not the correct reason? Note the point here, it is not. Density of balloon with kerosene is less than the density of water. Definitely this is true. Okay. Pressure difference exists between top and bottom of the balloon. Pressure at the bottom is more and the pressure at the top is less. This is true. Upthrust exists at bottom of the balloon. This is also true. The depth directly proportional to the pressure. If the depth increases, pressure also increases. This option is also true. Which one is not true? Kerosene filled balloon shrinks due to pressure. This is not the correct answer.
Question number 2. Center of gravity G and center of buoyancy B are closer in Cy than those in Cx for identical ships. These two ships are identical. Okay. If you float this ship in the Cx, note that here you have to change G as B. This is the center of buoyancy. In your book it is given as G. Change it as B. Here also it is not G but B. The density level of the Cx is completely different from Y. But we can analyze that. The density of the Cy is greater. Why? Because the same ship which is flowed deeper in Cx than in Cy. See the level. Which one is deeper? The first C. In Cx, this is deeper, but not in Cy. So we can come to the conclusion that Cy having higher density. So it floats a little bit above the level of the Cx. Okay. Now we are going to answer all those questions given below. Now let us analyze what is given. You have to find out the true statement. Cx is denser than Cy. Is it true? Cx is denser than Cy. No. If Cx is denser means the ship will float deeper. It is not like that. So we can come to the conclusion that Cx is not at all having heavier density. Cy is denser than Cx. It is true. Is it not? Cy is denser than Cx. This is also true. Buoyant force acting on the ship in X is more than the buoyant force acting on the ship in the Cy. No, it is not true. Because which one is heavier? The Cy is heavier. Cy is having heavier density, which will give the more buoyant force. But what is given here? Cx is giving more buoyant force. It is not true. So leave this one. Buoyant force acting on the ship in the Cy is more than the buoyant force acting on the ship in Cx. This is true. B also true and D also true. We can have two type of true statement here.
State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. When the object is fully immersed, the center of gravity is above the center of buoyancy. The center of gravity must be below the center of buoyancy. Okay, this statement is false. Fourth one, match the following. Apparent loss of weight related to upthrust. Relative density, that is no unit, because this is the density of two liquids. You have to divide the density of the two liquids and so no unit. Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle is related to hydrostatic balance. Principle of flotation. Principle of flotation, lactometer. Next one is short answers. Fifth one, at which temperature the volume of the water is minimum? Why? Density is equal to mass per volume. This we already know. The volume of water is minimum at 4 degrees Celsius because density is more at 4 degrees Celsius. Density is inversely proportional to the volume. See, density is inversely proportional to volume. So water has minimum volume at 4 degree Celsius. Come to the next question, that is, how does the hole in the stopper of a hydrometer help to measure the relative density of a liquid? The function of a hole stopper is that when the bottle is filled and the stopper is inserted, the excess liquid rises through the hole and runs down outside the bottle. Ravi unknowingly poured some water into a bottle containing coconut oil. How can the coconut oil be separated? Using separatory funnel. Numerical problems. A long round bottom vessel of radius 10 cm and height 75 cm is filled with water. The pressure 50 cm from the water level is 5000 Pascal. What is the pressure exerted by the water at the same point if the radius of the vessel is increased by 4 times and filled with water? We know pressure P is equal to H rho G because the height not changing at the same level, the pressure is also not changing, and we can get the same value 5000 Pascal. Next one is mass and volume of an object are 50 gram and 100 centimeter cube respectively. Will the object float on the water or sink in water? We know density is equal to mass per volume. So 50 per what is given here, the mass is 50 gram and density is and volume is 100 centimeter cube. Divide these two things, what will you get? 0.2 gram per centimeter square. Density of water is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube. You compare these two values and which one is very less? This is less, 0.2 gram per centimeter cube. This object will float on water. Next one is the weight of an object is 50 kilogram meter second power minus 2. When it is immersed into a liquid, the new weight is 40 kilogram meter second power minus 2. What is the upthrust acting on the object? We know upthrust is equal to weight of the fluid displaced. So 50 minus 40 is equal to 10 Newton. Compare the values and then write the relevant values. 50 minus 40 is equal to 10 Newton.
Question number 11. Two vessels A and B contain milk. The lactometer shows the reading 30 in vessel A and the same lactometer shows the reading 20 in the vessel B. Which vessel contain pure milk? Which vessel contain pure milk? See the lactometer readings. The readings are noted from the top. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. The readings from the top. So when this lactometer immersed in the milk, then if it floats at 20 reading, then the density of the milk will be low because it floats up to the reading 20, is it not? Suppose if it sinks up to 30, then it will have high milk density. So that we can write vessel B contains low milk density and vessel A contain high milk density.
What can be the maximum mass of a solid block of dimension 15 cm long, 10 cm width and 5 cm thick if it floats on water? We know rho is equal to m by v. M is equal to rho v. Then m is equal to 750 centimeter cube dot gram per centimeter squared. We know V is equal to LBH is equal to 15 into 10 into 5. The value of V is 750 centimeter cube. Write the value of V here. We know M is equal to rho into V. What is the value of V? It is 750 centimeter cube. Write the value and then we have written the value of V. and we have to write the value of rho. What is the value of rho? It is 1 gram per centimeter cube.
If we strike out all those values, we will get m is equal to 750 gram.